So we installed one of our new cameras, and I'll just go over a couple tricks I've learned. So for some reason it comes with two different size washers. Now the smaller size fits in the hole right there, goes all the way down in. The larger size does not. So if you use a larger size, then the camera, which slides on right here, doesn't go all the way down. So you need to use the smaller size. So since there's two of them, I'm putting them on the top, and then the one without the washer I'm putting on the bottom right there where my thumb is. So what I'm going to do, so the first thing we did was hold the camera up, and to make sure that our Wi-Fi inside reaches this position, and we're mounting it on the white. I thought that would look better. So we're going to mount it down enough to have some room there for the wire and the antennas, and just a little bit of space. So I'm giving it about 3 inches. I think that's going to be enough. I'd give it more, but I'm not that high up right now. Okay, so I'm going to first pre-drill a hole in this one. I have a little bit smaller than the screws, and then I'm just going to hand screw it in because it's easier without having two drills up here. And secondly, when I do these right here, there's not enough room for my drill. It hits there, so it's just easier to do it by hand. They go in fast. I'm going into pine, so it's not that hard to go into anyways. Okay, so let's do this step, and then we'll do one more video of how I did the rest of it.